Meron na naman akong pares ng 20 cm. Wala nang katapusan nito. Hey there, Balisong World. And I mean, itong grupo ng Pinoy Balisong. Balisong Pilipinas. So, here's a pair of new 20 cms. Nanggaling ito kay Liza Villanueva, LV. Interesting. Naiiba ang tsura nito. It looks clean because yung kapit niya ay stainless. Ang ganda, malinis tingnan. Thank you po, Ma'am Liza. Subuksan natin ito. Ito ay labaha. Very basic. Very basic na blade shape. I remember itong blade shape na ito vividly from my childhood. Kasi yung tito ko sa Cotabato, yung bantog na tagatuli ng mga bata. So, ganitong itsura ng balisong niya. Although, the one he had, I remember, he's got this horse bone. I chose labaha from Ma'am Liza because ang unang in-order ko sa kanya yung ice pick eh. So, I intended sana that I will have labaha from all of the makers. Pero, hindi. Sana naumpisan ko sana with having a labaha from each maker dito sa Batangas. So the second one may kalupkop. Pero ang nasa loob ay kulay pula at green. Sa kabila naman blue at itim. Iba-iba. So let's open this one. Iyon. Rambo din ang tawag ni Ma'am Liza dito. Nakita ko sa Facebook niya and then I asked kung anong blade profile to. Sinabi niya it's Rambo pa rin. Mukha siyang tari no? Na may ano lang, may serration. Wala pala ako nung Rambo, yung typical na Rambo na balisong. The one with yung dibuyod lang yun na style. And then may butas na tatlo and then doon sa clip point niya merong serration. Hindi ako kumuha noon kasi I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. Hindi ko lang talaga type yung galon na forma. Para lang siyang tari. It's got a recurve here. Maganda itong recurve sana no, upang mga pang-cutting ng ropes, ganyan, papabilog ng mga materials. Problem with this one is mahirap to hasain, no? Kasi recurve. Anyway, so I wanna do a sharpness test. Ganun lang naman ginagawa ko eh. Ayaw makahiwa ng papel. I mean, if you wanna use this sa karne, sa gulay, it will cut for sure. Pero if you wanna have a razor sharp na talas, hindi mo makukuha dito ngayon. But I will sharpen this one. It's obvious that hindi ito matalas dahil may mga burr. You can see it kahit hindi mo gamitan ng magnifier. Kitang-kita. I can run my finger here. It doesn't cut. This one also. Can run my finger through the edge and I don't get wounded. Ito medyo matalas ng konti. Ganun din eh. Okay. There's a part of the blade. There's a part of the edge na may talas naman dito banda. Shout out sa mga sa mga balisong makers natin. Gawin nating matalas yung mga blades natin. I mean, para sa akin wala namang problema dahil I am equipped. Marami akong sharpening equipments here. Kayang-kaya kong gawing shaving sharp ito. But paano naman yung iba na walang walang panghasa, walang skill sa paghasa. So, ayan o. Mamumroblema sila. Bumili sila ng bagong balisong, hindi makaputol. So anyway, my overall impression on this new stuff from Liza's Balisong is that quality wise, it's good. I cannot complain, especially that price wise, medyo mababa yung kay Ma'am Liza. So kung ikumpara natin ang price to quality, sulit itong kay Ma'am Liza. Hindi masyadong mabigat sa bulsa ang mga produkto niya. So, mabigat ito dahil checking out. This is an all metal scales with all 289. Holy cow. 1/4 kilo. Mahigit 1/4 kilo. 20 cm lang. Mahigit sa 1/4 kilo ang timbang. I understand na ganyan, mabigat talaga because I chose on all metal construction. Walang wood, walang sungay, walang fiber, walang anything. This is an all metal construction, so it is expected to be heavy. Hey, what can you say about my new knife?
It looks good because, hold on, it looks like red and green about Christmas.
Christmas is over. How about the other side?
It's not really, it's just the same color.
You know, it's blue and black.
Blue and black.
But not very interesting combination.
Yeah.
You want to see the inside?
Yeah. What?
What can you say?
The holes of this. The holes of this looks like a zipper.
Zipper.
It looks like a zipper.
You have good imagination. How about this one?
Alright.
What can you say about this?
It looks good. I like the gold color and the silver color. Because gold and silver match. It doesn't look sharpy.
Doesn't look sharp?
Yeah, but it kind of looks small.
It's small. So that's it. Short video. Just to show you that these two balisongs I got from Liza Villanueva are sulit sa halaga, sulit sa quality. Tangkilikin din natin yung produkto ni Ma'am Liza and other bladesmiths, local bladesmiths natin. By doing that, we are supporting the livelihood of our lokal na mga panday. So, yun lang. Stay sharp, everyone.
And don't forget to, if you like this channel today, please subscribe.
Today only?
If you like this channel, please hit the bell button and subscribe to the channel. Just like you, shout out to the...
Till next time, brothers.
Shout out to the world.